Physical education, lifetime activities, and outdoor education are taught by Dr. Davis and Coach Fitzgerald. PE options for students at Hillsborough High School include physical education, outdoor education, and lifetime activities. Classroom expectations. Upon entering the classroom, students secure all electronic devices, headphones, and earbuds in their backpacks. Students walk to music for approximately 5 to 10 minutes at the beginning of class. When the music stops, students sit in their assigned areas for attendance. The class processes. Standards, objectives, and assignments are reviewed, then activities begin. All students participate in the activities offered during class. Students end class each day by completing coursework in Schoology. All coursework is housed in Schoology under Courses. Your student's class is located on the course page. Click on the course and you will be directed to the course landing page. At the top of the course landing page, you will find the instructor's information under the Welcome tab. You will have the class listed, the instructor's name listed, the instructor's contact email address, the class time, and the location of the class. Courses are divided into units. Underneath the Welcome tab, you will see Unit 1, Social Wellness Walking, which is a unit we just completed, and Unit 2, Volleyball, which is a unit we're starting. As well as the upper right-hand corner, you will see all work that is due for the week with the due dates and the time that it's due. In the event it's late, it can always be made up through Gradebook. Unit 1 Standards and Objectives. The standards and objectives are housed in the Unit 1 Social Wellness Walking folder, as well as the work for Week 1, Week 2, and Week 3. Unit 1 Standards and Objectives. Standards and objectives are listed for each unit and housed inside the unit folder, and they are listed there for the student's resource. For Social Wellness Walking, we highlighted the advanced idea of split time training and taught students how to calculate their split times in order to decrease their overall time for walking. Week 1, 2, and 3 folders are also housed under Unit 1, and each one includes the work for the week. In Week 1, we had Timed Walk 1, Calculate Split Time 1, Wellness Walking 1, and Wellness Walking Assessment 1. In Week 2, the students completed Personal Goals for Wellness Walking, SMART Goals, Time Walk 2, Body Composition 2, and Body Composition Assessment. Week 3 work was also included: Personal Goals for Wellness Walking, Time Walk, Split Time Calculations, Wellness Walking, and Wellness Walking Assessment. All of this work was for the Unit 1 Social Wellness Walking. Grading for classes. Schoology houses all work for class. It also houses a virtual class and the grade book for students. All work is graded in Schoology and can be checked at any time and made up. Infinite Campus is the district's grading software, and all Schoology grades are synced to Infinite Campus. Students' official grades come from Infinite Campus. Unit 2 began September the 7th and ends October the 6th. This unit will focus on volleyball-related skills, rules, and games. Students will enjoy variations from beach volleyball, giant volleyball, and standard volleyball. Unit 2 houses all of the work for the volleyball standards and objectives, Week 1 work, Week 2 work, Week 3 and 4, and Week 5 work. Unit 2 standards and objectives are all listed for students' resource. The advanced idea we're working on is self-peer evaluation of a skill, as well as to provide objectives of model rules and expectations, volleyball progression, teaching the serve, underhand serve, and overhand serve, and leadership skills through serving as a team captain. The unit outline. Student work is assigned by week. Each assignment is designated HW for homework or S for summative. Units are designed to teach skills, lead up games, and culminate with a student tournament. Leadership is also developed within the curriculum by allowing each student to serve as a team captain. Team captains are in charge of their respective teams during skill rotations, lead-up games, and tournament play. Week 1 work is listed, and you notice it's designated HW for homework or S for summative. Engaged students enjoy learning. Social wellness walking was our Unit 1, and we are currently in Unit 2, volleyball games. Contact information for instructors is listed. For Dr. Davis, you can email him, or Coach Fitzgerald, you can email him. Also, contact us at any time with questions, and we look forward to hearing from you.